Hey everybody, it's Lee Jordan with USA Roofing. We found that our customers really like to be educated, so we hope this will be a valuable resource for you. All right, guys, a critical, very important fact that I'd like to point out to you is that USA Roofing carries general liability insurance as well as workers' comp insurance. And what that means to you is that you're protected if one of our guys get hurt by falling off your roof or get injured in some way on your property. Well, you're not liable. We are, and we take care of that person. Now, a roofing job is the most risky job in construction. So from time to time, somebody very well could get injured on the job. So it's very, very critical that before you allow anyone to get on your roof, that you definitely want to see their workers' comp and general liability insurance. So everybody, I hope this video has been very informative for you. I'm sure you do have other questions, and if you do, feel free to give us a call at any of our offices, or you can reach us online at usaroofing.us.